What's going on, guys? This is Mike. We're going to break down the G23 engine today. Yeah, here she is right here. We're going to pull this out and we're going to yank it all apart. And I'm going to get the head and the block checked, probably decked. I don't know if I'm going to hone the cylinders or anything like that. But yeah, first what we do is we got to clean up this mess. So, with that said, we'll be right back. All right, well, we got this head separated from the block. Now we just got to go ahead and pull the valves and what else you got to do? Got to pull all the head apart, actually. Strip it down even more. Pull these studs out. I might replace those. Now, I already have this. I haven't never ran this engine. Let me put that this way. If you guys have been watching my channel, I haven't actually ran this engine. And I put it all together thinking, you know what? We're just going to send it. But I had so many problems with this F23 engine I'd put together right there. You guys remember that was the one I put in the van. It's got the K20A3 pistons in it. I had so many issues with that head sealing because I come to find out the block was, or not the block, the head wasn't machined properly or whatever. It just wouldn't seal. So after dealing with all those headaches, I'm just going to send this in. And I got this head and it's got a couple of nicks here and there. And the guy I got it from said, yeah, it just got machined. The good thing is it's already got the plugs in to block the oil ports to make this a G. And basically what that is you'll notice right here, we got the ports here for the oil. And there and there and there. And then these would normally, see how you got a double port here on an actual H22 or H23 block, you would have that here and here. Well, this is an F23 block, an A7 one, which comes out of your 98, only actually the 98 Honda Odyssey, or the 98 to 99 Isuzu Oasis, which is basically a rebadged first gen Odyssey. So, yeah, I'm going to strip this down, take the crank out, take the pistons out. Actually, we'll do that right now. Here's my puppy right here, and my boy. It's my new puppy here. Is a Presa Canario. She is quite the handful. Yep. Doing what we can to get her trained up. Come on, up, get up there, Sasha, what's up, big girl? Huh? Who's your big girl? She's gonna be big. She's only about 55 now, but her mama's about $125 and her daddy was about $155. And yeah, she's gonna be a big girl. What's my Sasha doing? She's a big girl, huh? Oh, look, I'll grab on that cheek one. Let me see them big old teeth. Let me see them big old teeth. Well, here you go. I just want to. I moved my toolbox from right over here and took everything out because obviously it was too heavy. So moved it over here and reorganized it. I guess I wouldn't call that organized yet, but I'll just got all my shit in one box. It's pretty much all the engine stuff. Brakes and tires and ball joint stuff and crap like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue wrapping this up. pistons now. Pistons and rods and the oil pan there. We got the crankshaft right there next to my D16 crankshaft. So that is your F23A crank. Obviously that one, the big block. And we got the block over here. And I'll pop them bearings out, give her a nice bath. And then head over to machine shop. I still got a little bit more breaking down to do on this head. Taking out the rockers and such there. But yeah, we'll be good to go.